Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best wok pans that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's starts this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Kenmore Hammond Flat Bottom. The Kenmore Hammond Flat Bottom is made of carbon steel and has a non-stick coating. It was fun to cook a stir-fry since it is responsive to temperature changes. The non-stick coating makes it a breeze to use, and it's heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The only limitation is that the manufacturer recommends slowly bringing the pan to high heat. This method added a few minutes to cooking time, but with both soup and stir-fry, it cooked quickly and rapidly adjusted temperatures once the pan reached the desired heat. The non-stick coating makes this pan easy to clean up, and no seasoning is necessary to keep the pan in working shape. The acacia handles are visually appealing, feel sturdy, and are heat resistant. Moving on at number 4, we have Cuisinart 10 inches cast iron wok. The Cuisinart 10 inches cast iron wok is small and compact, making it ideal for 1 or 2 people with minimal storage space. This option is versatile and durable to boot. It is affordable, and if properly cared for, should last a long time. Because it is cast iron, seasoning on the cooktop is quick and easy and is also needed regularly for the best results. This pan brought water to a boil in less than 8 minutes during your tests. Cast iron takes longer to get up to temperature than carbon steel, but it sears meat quickly and cooks rapidly once it reaches the desired temperature. Unfortunately, the eggs stuck and needed to be scrubbed, while the chicken stuck in the stir-fry test and required constant stirring. At number 3, we have Souped Up Recipes Carbon Steel Wok. The Souped Up Recipes is a stylish take on a traditional model and heats up quickly. It has a flat bottom and is ideal for stir-frying meals. This carbon steel pan is one of the fastest to reach the boiling point in your rate of heating tests and is consistently one of the quickest cooking pans in every meal test. The pan responds to temperature adjustment rapidly, making it easy to control changes while stir-frying. It is large enough to make a big batch of stir-fry or soup but not so large that it is unwieldy. The smooth, high-quality wooden handle can be removed with no tools, so it can be seasoned in the oven, making it one of the easiest carbon steel pans to season and maintain. At number 2, we have Yosukata Pre-Seasoned Carbon Steel Wok. The Yosukata is a traditional model with a round bottom, so it works best on a gas stove with a ring. The round shape allows the use of a small flame and evenly transfers the heat up the walls. It is also quick to respond to temperature adjustments. This beautifully crafted contender comes pre-seasoned and does need to be re-seasoned regularly. While evenly distributing the heat, the round bottom makes this pan a bit trickier to use, and it is best used over a gas stove with a ring. The manufacturer does not recommend using it with electric, ceramic, or induction stoves. The handle made it list to one side, and it got to rocking while cooking soup, which we didn't love. This pan would be excellent for the experienced cook with a passion for cooking stir-fry in the most traditional pan, with a gas stove and a ring. And finally at number 1, Calphalon Signature Flat Bottom. The Calphalon 12-inch is a beginner-friendly pan for those looking for a full-size wok. The aluminum heats up a little slower than the carbon steel pans and holds heat for longer, making adjustments slower. The upside is that it can be more forgiving, with less dramatic changes in temperature. The durable non-stick surface keeps ingredients from sticking, with less oil used, and makes cleaning up a breeze. The size and shape are great for stir-fries and soups for the whole family. This pan also comes with a lid, which is ideal for cooking up a batch of soup or even spaghetti bolognese. While many non-stick pans can warp when used with high heat, this wok is compatible with high heat and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep in mind that it needs to be cool to the touch before washing.